In today's video, let's create this 3D coin which is reflecting the environment. First of all, create a new composition. Right-click and choose a new solid layer. And we search for 4 color gradients. I have this color palette if you want to use. And of course, you can adjust the point positions. And use ellipse tool to draw some shapes. And search for Gaussian blur. Apply and increase blurriness. And remember to uncheck repeat edge. Select both of them, right-click and pre-compose. And we're gonna create the coin. Use ellipse tool to draw a shape and remember to make a 3D layer. Choose Cinema 4D. And we go to geometry options. Bevel style angular and increase the depth to 10 and extrusion depth to 100. And go to material options, increase reflection intensity to 100% and change metal to 20%. Okay, now you can see we have a black coin. Just right click the reflection layer and we choose environment layer. Find orientation. Add some keyframes so the coin can rotate. And I want to make it smaller. Right click to add a solid layer. And we search for gradient ramp. Use eyedropper to pick similar colors. And we're done here. Hope you like this video. I will see you next time.